Hey guys, welcome to DIY Car Fix. So in this video, you will see how to change your transmission oil of hybrid Camry 2020 model. It's a bit jerky when I park my car and when I take it out of the park. But after a transmission oil change, it's really good. So I would suggest you, if your car is doing a little bit same, a little bit jerky in the transmission, like when you park it or take it out of the park, I would suggest you change it after 5 years or 6 years. If you feel that, maybe you should do it a bit quicker if you want to, but 120,000, I would suggest you should change your transmission oil. If you drive like, start, stop more, so I would suggest you can do it 100,000 Ks according to Australian standards, because the temperature, everything varies as well according to the country wise. But in Australia, if your drive is like Uber, taxi, I would suggest 100,000 K, you should change your transmission oil. So in this video, you will see how to change your transmission oil. All you need is this tool, which is 10 mm Alki socket, and you need WS automatic transmission oil, because this got e-cvt transmission. So if you have a different transmission, you need to research what oil do you need for that. So anyway, let's get started, guys. So here is one screw here, and the other one draining is this one here. So we're gonna take this one open. We're gonna open this one first, and after that we will open the draining one, so that can drain quicker and faster. So this side is just too low, so I'm trying to pick it up, and for that I have also picked up this pipe, which was like $20 or something. There is hand pump as well, but I think it's good. I will put it from the top and it will go underneath. That is the best way, so easier, so I don't have to manually put it with the pump. I'm gonna open it up and see how long the pipe we need, because obviously I'm not gonna use 5 meters of it. Let's set it up, guys. Here we go, guys. That's all set. The transmission is back there, the filling place. So all I'm gonna do is now open up the screws, and then we're gonna drain the oil out of it. I already checked that one, and that tool is the right tool, but I think it's gonna need a lot of push. I'm gonna put something behind the car so it doesn't move too much, you know what I mean? Here we go, guys. I have opened it. It took me took me some time and good strength. I couldn't lose the other one, the one to fill up, so I was able to open this one. And what I'm gonna do is wait for this one to drain properly, and then I'm gonna get underneath to open that one, because the other one is just a bit harder to get through because you can't use enough force underneath it. But yeah, it definitely needed change. It still got this nice red color on it. Okay, I'm not gonna take all of it out for now. I'll just put it on and then I'll try to get the other one open. So here we go, guys. I managed to open it up. As you guys can see, it's opened up. Here we go. So this is the important one we needed to fill up. I don't think it will have something. As you guys can see, it's all dry. Okay, we'll keep the other one and then unplug this one to see if there is anything left in it, Here we go. That's how we do the transmission service. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I was so worried about this, guys, but it turns out to be okay job. I was like, I don't know if I'm able to do it or I just made a mistake, because when that wasn't opening up easily, that's what I thought. Okay, we are gonna put this pipe, I'll give it a bit of clean to this pipe, and then we'll put this one in there. Let me show you. I managed to fit this pipe in, as you guys can see. Here we go, and I can start filling it up now. And then once it's start dripping out, we will close the bolt. Hopefully it will be full in 4.5 liters or maybe 4 liters. We'll have a look. Here we go. Let's go. Guys, alrighty guys, it's ready to go in. I'm gonna start pouring it from there like that. Oh, that's the color. Oh shit. Okay, I need both hands, guys. So this much in, 2 liters in, and I'm going to double check everything is going all right underneath it. Let's have a look. So I think this one is easier than filling up with the pump or something. Still going, still going. Yeah, with the pump it's just a bit harder to keep pushing, right? Especially for 1-person job. This is not 2-person job, this is 1-person job. The only harder thing I found is to open those screws up. They're very, very hard. Okay. Alright guys, that's it. All 4 liters in. So that was starting to fill out everything out. So I put that pipe into that bottle again. So whatever was the leftover going to the pipe. Little bit gone back to this bucket, but most of them made it to that. So now our main job starts. I'm going to start the car and we're gonna go through all the gears slowly, so the new oil can go through all the gears, right? Let's start it. So after that, maybe you need to fill up again. So go to reverse, neutral, gear, again. So we're gonna keep it few seconds in one gear, so all the in air, everything can get removed out from the gears. So all will be left is just the oil, because it can damage your car gears. So it's better to hold every gear for a few seconds. And there we go, the D. That is because the bonnet is open, the door is open. Don't worry about that. So after you're done filling up the oil and everything, guys, I would suggest put the fill plug in. Don't like fully tight it, and go for a drive slowly, drive 5 kilometers around your area and everything. Come back and inspect. If you need to fill up more oil in it, do it. Otherwise, if you're good, just tighten that fill plug around 29 to 30 lb as according to Toyota recommends, and check with your car spec. Just Google it and do it with the torque spec and you will be fine. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye, have a good one.